Dear all, in my previous video, we had a lighter discussion on gas, the third state of matter. Now, we shall discuss the entire topic in this video. Matter can be divided into three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid and liquid we already have discussed. Now coming to gas. In gas, you can see the particles are far apart from one another. They have the largest intermolecular space, and this largest intermolecular space provides these particles random movement, which helps the gas to disperse. To understand more about the gas, we will come to the activity of the gases. What this activity says: take 300 ml syringes and close their nozzle by rubber cork. Remove the pistons from all the syringes. Leave one syringe untouched. Now fill water in the second syringe, whereas chalk pieces in the third. Insert the piston bag in each of these syringes. Now try to compress. Compress the contents which are in the syringe. What will be our conclusion? We will see that least force is required to compress first syringe. Why? Because it contains air, and air has particles which has larger intermolecular space in comparison to the second syringe as well as the third syringe, which contains water and pieces of chalk respectively. So, what characteristics we came to know from this activity about gaseous state? Gases are highly compressible as compared to solids and liquids. And due to high compressibility of gases, we have availability of LPG, which stands for liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG, which stands for compressed natural gas. Due to high speed of particles and large intermolecular space, diffusion occurs the fastest in gases. Means gases can diffuse at the fastest rate in comparison to liquids and solids. We can take example of smell of the hot cooked food, which reaches us several meters away. Due to random motion of gas particles, they hit each other. Why? Because they gain kinetic energy and they exert pressure in the walls of its container. For example, we can take increase in size of a balloon. Why the size increases? Due to the pressure exerted on its wall. This picture of balloon easily explains this concept, that how the particles collide with each other and how they collide with the walls of this balloon, which increases its size. Hope this picture of colorful balloons will cherish your mood and will also help you to memorize the topic. Thank you.